Our world is full of wonder. And in this series, two adventurers, Sarah Pitzer and Jermaine Clark, set out to capture wildlife and culture of 4 locations in a 4-part series. We begin in Bonaire, one of the few places you'll see magnificent flamingo in the wild. But what gives them their color? Who knows? Then learn about Bonaire's salt trade, built on the backs of African slaves. Some say the salt pyramids can be seen from outer space. So, definitely from an aeroplane for sure. Then we take to the oceans to see an underwater show like none other. You'll also see Sarah chasing turtles. That was cool, Sarah. Then to the jungles, mountains and rainforest of Costa Rica, where you'll meet cute, peculiar and sleepy characters. We will venture into the mountains, where an amazing hummingbird sanctuary is home to some of the most colorful of the species. Next, we venture to Aruba by dune buggy. We'll discover mystic hidden beaches and shipwrecks. Finally, we'll take you to the concrete jungle to discover nature and culture in one of the most vibrant cities on the planet, New York City, Bonaire, Costa Rica, Aruba, and now New York. An odd story of adventure, you say? Well, that's most certainly because we just wanted to show you some cool videos and pictures we took while secretly spelling the word baby. As in, we're having a baby. Thanks for watching. Leave the turtle alone, Sarah.